Hi, this is Rob, Lise and Rob's Travel Adventures. Hoping you can hear me here today in Santa Fe, New Mexico. It is rather breezy, and I know that can wreak havoc with the sound sometimes. But here we are. We are in Santa Fe. We are actually standing in front of the Cathedral of Basilica of St. Francis of Assisi. This building dates back to 1886. We are a block away from the Santa Fe Plaza. Really cool looking neighborhood, and we're going to walk around and bring you with us. So now we are standing next to the church where we started, and here is a plaque in honor of the original settlers of Santa Fe buried here. This city actually dates back over 400 years. I believe it is the second oldest city in North America, next to St. Augustine, Florida. So now this is the entrance to the park, which you are welcome to enter as long as you're not a dog. But here we go. Really cool monument. So here we are on a sidewalk in Santa Fe. Great history here. Really cool here. So this is the plaza in downtown Santa Fe, a very old part of the city. In fact, I was just reading a plaque that this site right here was the site of a church back in the late early 1700s. Nice atmosphere, lots of wind. Try and get up to the second floor. So we are at Thunderbird Bar and Grill on the Santa Fe Plaza, and I'm having the fish tacos. What you got there, Lise?
I'm having the Caesar salad.
Nice. So the fish tacos were awesome. So good morning. Here we are in Santa Fe, on the way out of the Santa Fe Plaza area last night, looking for a place to sleep. We did get a lot of brake noise, and the brakes had some squeaking, some grinding. We're a long ways from home, Santa Fe, New Mexico, trying to work our way back towards Maine eventually. So I thought it'd be a good idea to have this thing checked out. So for now, I'm gonna leave this here, and Lisa and I will go find some breakfast. So there's the van, waiting for the prognosis. So, first of all, I am breaking the law. This is a requirement that says that you could get a fine for not wearing one. So the car right now is at Brake Masters. We're leaving the car there. It'll be ready later on. We need to have a little bit of work done before we carry on. So we took an Uber in here to the plaza where we were last night. The place we ate is right across the street. So we're gonna go check this out. Everything last night, it was Sunday night, it was closed, and so things should be open. So let's go see what's around. So we're not going to go walk for 2 miles, but cool sign. Alright, it's time for lunch.
Okay. All right.
What a cool place. Say hello. So we have the carne adobada plate and tamales, which Lisa's about to try for the first time. Looks delicious. Alright, here's some tamale. Very good. Excellent. I think she likes it. Outstanding. So we are at the shed in Santa Fe, just off the plaza, and known for their chilies. Lise has the red and green chilies. Lise, what do you think?
They're both delicious.
More souvenir hunting. There goes Lise with her bag of t-shirts. So
Upside down Frito pie.
my curiosity got the best of me, and this is an upside down Frito pie, which apparently is a local delicacy. It's good. So there's the van. We are back in business. 2 rear rotors and pads and a front driver's side ball bearing, and off we go. So that wraps up our trip to Santa Fe. We're gonna grab a bite to eat. We got the van back. We're gonna go find a place to sleep. And then tomorrow we're headed off to Amarillo. I guess the big thing that I could offer you from Santa Fe is make sure you wear a mask. They are required. We're sitting at a table, so we don't need one right now. And prepare to eat some awesome food. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.